In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PowerPoint presentation with a template using Copilot in just 1 minute. This is a quick and practical way to build a presentation fast, especially if you want a polished starting point without designing every slide from scratch. Copilot can help you generate both the structure and the visual direction, which makes the whole process much easier. To begin, open PowerPoint on your computer and start a new blank presentation. Starting blank gives Copilot a clean workspace so it can build the deck based on your instructions. Once the presentation is open, take a quick look at the top toolbar. On the right side of that toolbar, click the Copilot icon to open the chat panel. This is where you'll communicate with Copilot and tell it what kind of presentation you want. If the panel takes a moment to load, that's normal. Just wait until the chat box is ready. Next, type your prompt into the chat box and clearly describe the topic of your presentation. Be specific enough that Copilot understands the goal, audience, or purpose of the deck. The better your prompt is, the better the first draft of the presentation will usually be. Keep your wording simple and direct so Copilot can generate something useful right away. After that, add a specific instruction telling Copilot to use your company template, or mention a design style if you already have one saved. This step is important because it helps the presentation match the branding or visual tone you want. If you're working in a business setting, this can save a lot of time later by keeping your slides closer to the final look from the start. Once your prompt and template or design instruction are in place, press enter and let Copilot do the work. It will automatically generate the full outline and create slides for you based on what you asked for. In many cases, this happens very quickly, which is what makes this such a useful workflow when you're short on time. And when the slides are ready, review everything carefully. Read through the titles, check the content, and make sure the structure makes sense for your presentation. If you want to change the wording, adjust the tone, or refine the style, use the Copilot chat again to make those quick edits. This is a great way to polish the deck without rebuilding it manually. And that's it. That's how to create a PowerPoint presentation with a template using Copilot in under a minute. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more fast tech tips.